Good morning, everyone. I, Bhumi Vijay, welcome you all to another legal bulletin of Meri PLI. And today's bulletin is on topic legal perspective on women empowerment. Women empowerment, a multifaceted concept, encompasses various social, economic, and political dimensions. In recent decades, legal frameworks have played a crucial role in advancing the status of women worldwide. From legislative reforms to constitutional amendments, legal instruments have been instrumental in promoting gender equality and empowering women across different spheres of life. Legislative reforms legislation forms the cornerstone of women empowerment initiatives in many countries. Laws addressing issues such as gender based violence, discrimination in the working, and access to education and healthcare are critical for creating an enabling environment for women to thrive. For instance, laws against domestic violence provide legal recourse and protection for women facing abuse, empowering them to seeking justice and break the cycle of violence. Constitutional protection. Constitutional serve as the highest legal authority in many nations, guaranteeing fundamental rights and freedoms for all citizens regardless of gender. Amendments and interpretation of constitutional provisions have been pivotal in advancing women's rights and ensuring their equal participation in society. For example, constitutional provision guaranteeing gender equality have led to affirmative actions measures such as quotas for women in political representations and employment. Access to justice. Effective legal systems are essential for women to exercise their rights and access justice. However, women often face barriers such as lack of awareness, financial constraints, and social stigma when seeking legal regards for violation of their rights. Efforts to improve women's access, legal aid, streamline judicial processes, and enhance the responsive of law enforcement agencies are crucial for ensuring that legal protections translate into meaningful empowerment for women. Economic empowerment, legal framework play a significant role in promoting women's economic empowerment by addressing barriers to employment, entrepreneurship, and property rights. Equal pay legislation, for instance, seeks to bridge the gender wage gap by mandating employers to pay men and women equally for equal work. Moreover, laws facilitating access to credit, land ownership, and business registration empower women to participate more actively in economic activities and decision making processes. Political participation. Political empowerment is essential for women to a voice in decision making process that affect their lives. Legal measures promoting women's participation in politics, such as electoral quotas and gender sensitive electoral laws, have been instrumental in increasing women's representation in legislative bodies and leadership positions by ensuring equal opportunities for politic engagement. These laws contribute to more inclusive and responsive governance. Challenges and future directions. Despite significant progress, numerous challenges remain in realizing women empowerment through legal means. President gender stereotypes, cultural norms, and institutional barriers continue to impede the full realization of women's rights and equality under the law. Moving forward, efforts to address these challenges must involve a comprehensive approach that combines legal reforms with education, advocacy, and social mobilization to effect lasting change. Conclusion. The legal perspective on women empowerment underscores the indispensable role of legislation, constitutional protection, and access to justice in advancing gender equality and ensuring women's rights. By enacting and enforcing laws that promote women's empowerment, society can create a more just, inclusive, and equitable world for all. However, sustained efforts and collective action are needed to overcome the remaining obstacles and fully realize the promise of women empowerment under the law. That is all for today's bulletin. We will be back with some more legal updates. Thank you.